What is up, everybody? This is Hunter with Lost Socket Garage. Wanted to bring you guys a quick video today, just showing what we're working on. We got this awesome little piece of history here. This is a 68 Ford Mustang coupe. Notice it's still a coupe. We didn't turn it into a fastback. The reason we didn't turn it into a fastback is this is a very, very rare car. This car is called the Golden Nugget. It was only made from January to February in 1968. Only sold out of the Seattle district, and it came with a custom, basically color combination, gold, you know, for Golden Nugget, with black striping, black interior, black vinyl. Again, this car is way rare. They only made 481 of these cars out of the 525 that were supposed to be made. Now, this comes with hood turn signals. It came with a black vinyl roof. Some other options. One cool option was the original owner of this car had an engraved plate with their name on it, put on it. It's been taken off on this one, but you know, this is just an awesome little piece of history. Nothing terribly special. It's going to be comparative to like a Hertz car or a California Special, where the main difference here is going to be the color code. But just sheer rarity of this, only being 481 made within a month span of time, makes this baby pretty rare. Let's take a look at what we did to it. So this needed a completely new floor pan. So we got a one-piece floor pan from Dynacorn. It comes with the new seat risers. We did new torque boxes, front and rear. We did patches. Florida firewall patches in this, then a lot of cleanup. Now there's still a lot that needs to be done to this car. The customer just kind of wants to drive it around for a little while. We'll probably end up replacing the roof. We'll probably end up doing a lot more metal work to this car. But this thing is just an awesome little piece of history. Super, super rare. I wanted to show you some of our work and some of the stuff that's coming in here. So I appreciate y'all following along. If you haven't subscribed, like 90% of the people that watch our videos have not subscribed yet. So please consider subscribing. Leave your comments in the comment section. Hit like. And until next time, stay classy.